Hi guys, thanks for tuning into this Scan Tool Network video. In this video it's a short demonstration of the Foxwell NT680 Pro kit. This tool is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link to this kit in the description below the video. I'll also put a link to where you can pick this up on Amazon, and also a link to the latest blog post on this tool, which gives you all of the latest information, hints, tips, reviews and guides. Now, we have in this Audi vehicle a problem with the ABS system. We've got a traction control light, we've got an ABS light, and we're going to use this tool to go ahead and diagnose these faults. So we're going to select our vehicle, or the manufacturer first of all, which is Europe, and we're going to select Audi, and we're going to select the system which we wish to diagnose. And we're going to try and find the ABS braking module. So in common, ABS brakes control system. There we go. So we should get a connection to the ABS system. Once we've done that, we'll be able to read the codes, and we'll show you what we're doing from here. But it's a good kit, this, because it works on all vehicles, even high-end vehicles, and it does all systems, lots of maintenance tasks as well. So if we click on to read codes, we've got two fault codes here. The main one is 00290, ABS wheel speed sensor rear left. We've done a live data test, and it's telling us that this particular ABS sensor is not giving us any signal at all, in fact. So we need to put a new, well, we've put a new ABS sensor in, but obviously we're still getting the fault, we're still getting the warning lights. So that's why we need to use this tool to go in and clear fault codes. So I'm going to click on enter. It says ignition on, engine not running. Don't worry about that though, because we can just clear the fault codes regardless. The warning lights are still on, as you see. It's a little bit different to the, say for example, the airbag system or the engine system, where if you clear a fault code, the light's generally going to turn off straight away. Don't be alarmed if it doesn't straight away. With these systems, the ABS, you need to back out of the ABS braking system on the tool. Then once you're backing out of it, you'll see the lights turn off. So watch as I'm backing out of the ABS system. See the lights turn off. There we go. I don't know why it does it like that, but it does. So that's it. That's all thanks to the Foxwell NT680 Pro kit, and that is available at Diagnostic World. As I say, it's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put a link to this kit in the description below this video. Put a link to where you can pick it up on Amazon, and also to the latest blog post on this tool, which gives you all of the latest information. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.